Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing, or we're going to attempt to unbox my Walmart summer box, which I don't know if y'all have met, but this is Chloe. This is the little girl that's been giving me nonstop allergies, which have just now settled down. So Chloe, say hi. Say hi to everyone, Chloe. Chloe. She's really into, no biting, that hurts. So anyways, now you have met the notorious ouch, Chloe. We're going to try to get through this unboxing as quickly as possible as she's nibbling on my my leg and it hurts. All right, so anyways, this is my Walmart summer box, $5 a box, and it is, what is it, seasonal? So let's get started. I just took the plastic off, so I'm really not sure what is in this box. I did not cheat this time, so let's get started. Oh, so the first thing I see, is lots of goodies. I see a toothbrush. They do come with coupons, and then also these like sometimes little cards for products that they offer or are sponsoring at the time. This right here is one for Calm, which is a natural vitality magnesium supplement. I use this. This stuff is amazing, you guys. If you do a teaspoon in some tea before bed, this stuff works wonders. It will help you sleep, and it also helps if your body's under a lot of stress. I do have hypothyroidism and Hashimoto's, so I do use this as a magnesium supplement. So anyways, give this a try. It's definitely worth it. There's no coupon or anything, but it just has this little scanner here, and it says scan the QR code to buy now at walmart.com. They do have it in the store. You don't have to buy it online. Target also has it. But anyways, it's really good. Just a little piece of advice. But anyways, let's see what other kind of stuff we have in here. The next thing is Suave Professional. So I'm guessing, yep, there's Suave product in here, and it's a coupon for $2.50 off, which the natural stuff, I don't have curly hair, so, and it's got lots of coconut and shea oil. It's for curly hair, so I'll probably be passing this on to my sister who does have a little bit more curly hair than I do. So the first thing that I see in the box is Hello Charcoal Infused Tapered Bristles, Naturally Friendly BPA-free toothbrush, and it is soft. So this is a bamboo toothbrush, so it's all natural, black bristles, white teeth. Say hello to maximum brushing happiness. This thoughtfully designed toothbrush features soft precision tapered bristles infused with charcoal and bamboo. The super comfy handle is BPA free for extra friendliness. So I'm super excited about this. I just want to see something. I want to see how soft the bristles are. And if I rub it on my teeth, if I can even get it open. Well, maybe that's for another time. I just wanted to kind of hold it. I've never seen one of these in person before. It's not going to happen. But anyways, I'm excited to use this. So that is a cool thing in the box. And the second thing is, oh, okay, a Salon Perfect Design nail set. So we have this design. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see that. So anyways, it is 24 nails, nail file, and professional nail glue. I'm not a big fan of this shape. I don't like the coffin nail shape. I know it's probably the most popular thing out there right now. I'm more of an old square round kind of girl, like my squares. But these come in, this is actually perfect for like quarantine and after quarantine, if you think about it. Can't go to the salon, pick off the old, what is it called? I can't even think of the name. But anyways, the old nail gunk, and file it down. Ouch, that hurt. She just bit me. File that down and use a little glue and stick these on. Ouch, Chloe, no, that hurt. Oh, those little kitten claws are super sharp with those teeth. It's like double dagger. And here is the third thing in the box, and is Biore Love Your Pores Rose Quartz and Charcoal. Great for oily skin. Deep cleans and radiates self-love. This is Daily Purifying Cleanser. We have that right there. Y'all can see it. Definitely excited to give this a try. I like products that are for oily skin or combination skin. Mine can be dry sometimes and then oily at others, but it is always dry in the summer, or in the winter, and oily in the summer. So I have to be kind of careful, but when it's usually designed for oily skin. It usually does really well on my skin. So we'll give that a try. And so I got some samples here. This box is $5, so I'm not even mad about this. Like, I got my $5 worth as far as I can see with the toothbrush. And I mean, probably these, which I will be giving these away. But these two things I am definitely going to use. And these, it's the Curl Defining Cream shampoo and conditioner set. It's for curly or coily hair, so I will be giving these to my sister. She will definitely get some good use out of these. And go ahead and pass the coupon along to her. So, kind of a little, hey, thinking about your gift. And I might even pass these along to her as well, since she is into this kind of a shape of nail, and I am not. The last thing in the box is a Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste, which is natural peppermint. It's got tea tree and coconut oil, and I have tried the Hello Charcoal toothpaste before, and it was okay. So I can't imagine them sending us a toothbrush without including toothpaste. So this was super thoughtful of them. Let's see. Smells like toothpaste. Even looks like toothpaste. So I'm excited to give that new toothbrush a try. It was time to throw out the old one and get a new one. So that's what that looks like. There's that. Overall, for $5, I definitely feel like I got my money's worth. I mean, like I said, one of the products alone was worth $5, toothbrush. So let's just do a recap here. We've got our toothbrush, toothpaste. We've got our Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal Facial Scrub. We have our Salon Perfect Nails. And then we have our Suave Professional Curl Defining Cream Shampoo and Conditioner. So we have one of each, along with our $2.50 off coupon. So I am very happy with this box. I will be gifting some of these things away, but for these 3 items, I will give them a try and let y'all know how they work out. With that being said, I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you again next time for another unboxing. Have a good day.